Vescartes.com, and on the surface, it looks like a cool online store selling unique fashion pieces. Things like fast draw denim jeans and Heaven Eclipse denim. Plus, they're hyping up this May drop closes sale. Sounds pretty exciting, right? But before you go spending your money, let's take a closer look to see if Vescartes.com is actually legit. First off, the domain was registered pretty recently, in May 2024 to be exact. Now, that alone isn't a red flag. New businesses pop up all the time. But when you're trying to figure out if a site is trustworthy, the age of the domain is just one piece of the puzzle. One thing that caught my attention, though, is that there's no About Us page. Nothing that tells you who runs the business, what they stand for, or even where they're based. That lack of transparency makes it harder to trust them, especially if something goes wrong with your order. On the brighter side, they do provide several ways to contact customer support, including an email address, a chat box, and their Instagram handle, which is actually pretty active. They've got a good number of followers on Instagram and are regularly posting updates, new arrivals, and product photos. That kind of consistent presence is a good sign. They're clearly trying to build a brand and engage with their audience. But here's where things get a little rocky. There are no user reviews on their website, which is odd for an online store. And when we checked Trustpilot, there was just one review, and unfortunately, it wasn't a great one. The reviewer complained about poorly sized and defective jeans, confusing size guides, and awful customer service. Apparently, if you want to return something, they expect you to literally cut the jeans in half first. Yeah, you heard that right. Even on Instagram, we saw a user commenting that they'd been waiting nearly 2 weeks without any response from customer service. And over on Reddit, someone warned others that they'd ordered from Vescartes and suspected it was a scam. They even suggested contacting your bank to try and get your money back if you ordered. So, is Vescartes.com legit? Well, it's a bit of a mixed bag. They do have a real online presence and seem to be actively running their social media, which is a good thing. But the lack of company info, missing website reviews, and those negative customer experiences raised some serious concerns. If you're thinking about buying from them, I'd say be careful. Do a little more digging, maybe reach out to them with a few questions, and don't rush into any purchases until you feel confident. That's it for today. If you've bought from Vescartes or had any experience with them, let us know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest breakdowns like this one. See you in the next video.